Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to borrow money through Chime and explore the options available if you need access to the funds before your next payday. So first of all, you need to simply open your Chime application and then review the financial tools available on your account. Now, depending on your eligibility, you may see the features such as MyPay, which allows qualified members to get access to a portion of their expected income before payday. Now, borrowing features are not available to every single account. Chime typically reviews the factors such as direct deposit history, the account activity, the other eligibility requirements that you can find them over here. Like you need to be at least 18 years of age, you should be living in an eligible store, you should be having a Chime checking account in good standing, you receive a single qualifying direct deposit of $200 or more in the past 34 days, and receiving at least $400 in cumulative qualifying direct deposits in such calendar month. So these are some of the requirements, and this is how you can basically get a loan from Chime. So if a borrowing feature is available, you can tap on it to view your approved limit, the available amount, and any of the terms associated with the advance. Now then enter your amount that you want to access and review all the details carefully. Once you confirm the request, the funds will be deposited into your Chime checking account according to the selected delivery method. So that's how you can basically do it. Thank you.